Hi everyone, this is Chiwan. This time I'll show you how to install Cultural Daily as an app on your iPhone. You go to the browser, you go to the website just like you would read any website on your iPhone, right? So this is on Safari on your iPhone. Yeah, and it's great. You could read everything great. But if you wanted to install it on your phone as like on your home page as a web app, this is how you do it. Go to the share page, and on that sixth line, it says add to home screen. Yeah, just hit that, and this window will pop up. The name, add, and this is how it appears on your home screen. You hit it, looks exactly like an app, so that the Chrome of the Safari of the web browser is gone. There's no address bar, nothing. So you're using it as an app on your phone. Okay, yeah, everything works just like it would through Safari. Thank you.